Hi friends, this is Vasuki88. It's very pleasure to me that you are watching my video on Skrill tutorial. Please subscribe my channel if you really like my information useful, or leave a comment if anything remains to be mentioned in this video. I will try to make it more sensible. Today I will explain you about how to use a Skrill online money transfer services app on your Android device. First, you have to download the Skrill app from Play Store, and to open Play Store, you have to find it in your Android device, which is look like it, and then type Skrill in the search box field on Play Store home screen. Then tap on install button to install the Skrill app on your device. After the installation of a Skrill app on your device, you can open it by tapping on open button. Now you have two options. First is login and second is sign up. You can use login option if you already have a Skrill account. This will bring you to your Skrill account home screen. If you haven't any Skrill account, then you have to choose second option, that is sign up. On tapping on the sign up, you will get a pop-up screen like this. You can continue with your existing email account which is already entered in your Android Google account, or you can continue with new email account, but your new email account should be active to receive the all information or necessary emails by Skrill Corporation to maintain your Skrill account. To continue with the new email account, you have to tap on none of the above option. Then it will bring you to the new user registration page. In this page, you have to enter your all essential and accurate details, that is first name, last name, email, password, country and currency, which should be matched with your identity card. The identity card to be issued by your country government, because this will help the Skrill Corporation to verify your personal information. Otherwise, you will not able to use this Skrill online money transfer services. Hence, making sure to put the all correct and accurate information about yourself. After putting all required information, tap on register button to continue. Now it will bring a pop-up screen in which it will ask you to save your Skrill password or continue without saving password. If you want to save your Skrill password, then you can save your Skrill password by tapping on save password. It will help you to log in your Skrill account without asking your password again in the future, or else you can continue without saving password by just tapping on the never. Now it will ask you to set up 6-digit PIN, which is the most important, because it will help you in future in case you forgot your password or getting error of something wrong. Then you can use your 6-digit PIN to unlock again your Skrill account. Hence, it is suggested to make proper 6-digit PIN for further security purpose. One more thing here is that you cannot choose the sequence of digits like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Hence, you have to choose non-sequence of number digit like 3, 6, 3, 4, 3, okay, etc. Then retype the same digit. Bingo! We have successfully created our new Skrill account. Now we can add some funds to our Skrill wallet to send money to our friend or family. At this time we have no balance in our account, as you can see in the balance, in the below of balance. This is showing my available balance. To add money in your Skrill wallet, you have to tap on deposit button. Thereafter, you will get three options to deposit money into your Skrill wallet. First option is that you can use your bank MasterCard or Visa card to deposit money instantly, which will take 1% fees charge. Second option is that you will get the bank details of a Skrill corporation along with your account deposit code. Thereafter, you have to visit your local bank branch and fill a deposit slip for the total amount which you want to deposit in your Skrill wallet, and then submit the same in your bank branch. This will take normally 2 to 5 days to complete, and this will also take 1% fees charge, but it's delay. Okay, the third option is that if you have cryptocurrency account, or you have cryptocurrency amount, that is Bitcoin, etc., then you can use your Bitcoin or money to deposit money into your Skrill wallet. It is also instant money transfer service, and it will also take 1% fees charge. For now, I will show you how to deposit money into your Skrill wallet by MasterCard or Visa card. To do that, tap on Add New Card. Here, Add New Card. For the first time transaction, you have to enter your full address details once. That is address line 1, address line 2, and city and pin code, your postcode. After filling your address information and pin code, etc., thereafter you will redirect to adding new card page. In this page, you have to enter your MasterCard or Visa card number, expiry date, and CVV code. You can also check the box having instruction that I wish to store these card details so I don't need to re-enter them in future transacting. It will enable you to do not enter the same details again in the future use. After that, tap on Continue. Now you can choose the amount that you want to deposit in your Skrill wallet and select the purpose of deposit, that is non-gambling or gambling. I will suggest you to select non-gambling, then tap on Continue. This time you will be redirected to your MasterCard or Visa card online transaction website, wherein you will get the one-time password OTP, which you will have to enter in there to confirm that you want to deposit the money by your MasterCard or Visa card to your Skrill wallet. After successfully entering OTP, you will deposit the amount in your Skrill wallet. Okay. Now you can send your Skrill wallet money in two different ways. I am repeat. Now you can send your Skrill wallet money in the two different ways. First is that you can send Skrill to Skrill, and second is send to bank account. In the second option, you can send your Skrill wallet money to any of your friends or family bank account, as well as you can also send money to your own bank account, for which you have to provide some details for the purpose of money transfer. But in the first options, you just have to an email ID of your friend or family who already have a Skrill account. It is compulsory to have a Skrill account to send money or receive money from Skrill to Skrill. For now, I will show you how to send money from Skrill to Skrill. Suppose you have suppose you want to send money from Skrill wallet to your friend Skrill wallet. To do this, tap on send now below of Skrill to Skrill. Then enter your friend Skrill email ID who is a recipient in the email box field, and then tap on continue. Now enter the required amount which you want to send to your friend Skrill wallet. You can also add a message if you want it. Otherwise, you can continue by tapping on continue. Bingo. Now it will show you the last page having the details of money transaction. You have to tap on confirm button to done the money transfer. Bingo! After tapping on confirmation button, you have successfully transferred the money from your Skrill wallet to your friend Skrill wallet. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you will get your answer. If anything remains, then please mention your comments in the comment box, so it will help me to answer your questions. I will try to make this video more sensible. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks and have a good day.